These ants are pissed. Oh, hello. Beautiful day in Southern California to do some gardening. Sun's out, weather feels nice, and it's also a beautiful day to review a product. This company is called Neporal, and they have a lot of products, but the product I was most interested in are solar paneled flower lights. Right off the bat, they look real, and this is right in front of my face, so you can only imagine if it's in a garden from a distance away, what it'll look like. And then at night, these things turn on automatically, so then the planter will come alive with light. This would be a great Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day is right around the corner, and my mother-in-law loves gardening. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. First, I'm gonna test out and see how they work. Right off the bat, it looks real. I like the way the solar panel is here, so it sits low, so if it's in a garden, it's kind of hidden, but it still will get the sun. Just make sure you don't put it where a tree's causing shade or anything what's really creating shade where it can't get its full charge. In this case, I will place it where I think the sun will hit it the most, and then we will come back and film this at night and see what it's all about too. So we have 4 different solar paneled lights here. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you have options between pink, yellow. If you want to do 2 pink, 2 yellow. In this case, I wanted all 4 because I wanted to create this planter nice and even. There's a little stake here. This is probably about 12 inches long, so stick it in here. Goes deep. If the wind kicks up, since we're in Simi Valley, California, it's known as the Windy City. I don't think they'll fly away because you have a lot of depth you can put in the soil for it to stay put. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the planter, check it out, what it looks like. And I'm also gonna put it in other different locations because I do plan on buying some more of these and I wanna see what it all looks like in different scenarios. So maybe the front yard, maybe some planters by itself, obviously this planter right here, and then we'll wait for nightfall and get some shots of what it looks like in the dark. Let's go. Since the sun's above us, I think I wanna put it like right here so it's able to be seen. Pull off this. In my pocket for later. Put it all the way in. You know, maybe have it like, yeah, like that. So it's right in the sun right there. It's hidden. Probably go deeper. I'll go a little deeper. All right. That looks nice. In the direct sun right here. We're gonna let this thing charge. We're gonna do the other 3 and see what it looks like. Clearly these plants have been snipped. They're slowly coming back because it is springtime. But for now, let's go ahead and put some of these in here to see what it looks like. There's a switch here. There's one for just full light. The other one has a blinking, so if you want it to be more attention to it, you could just do it that way. But I think in this case, we're just gonna light them all. So as soon as the sun goes down, you can see the lights and it's not blinking. So put it in like this. I don't think this is gonna work in this case because stakes are too long. But I'm sure you can still stick it in like this. There's one. There's a little, you know, like a little 1.5 inches. So you can still stick it in the dirt. Ideally, you want to use the 12 inches, but here's this. That looks good. What do you guys think? Yeah, I love it. This is great. And you got the solar recharging right now from the sun. It's hidden, so no one sees it. And yeah, let's go ahead and check out some other areas. Looking at the backyard as a whole, it really does pop. You can even see the yellow flower in the distance too. I'm happy that it will never die. It'll continue staying that color. And yeah, at nighttime it'll add ambiance to the pool. If you're having trouble sticking it in because the soil is hard, you could use little tools like this. Screwdriver, maybe some rebar with a hammer. Plenty of different ways just to get it in the hole. Just be careful you don't hit any sprinkler lines. So as you can see, it looks good. We have 2 flowers in here. I have one here, I have one in my other planter. So you can spread it out, but here's your Peruvian lilies right here, and going with these flowers, you can't even tell. They look real. It's amazing. Look at these little flowers. These flowers look real. And what's cool is my gardening skills, my flowers all look fake. So it's a good blend together. You know, you could probably even put these on this stairway here. So in the evening, it kind of lights it up. Clearly I have a lot of landscaping to do on this hill. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it, but having these flowers here, kind of sporadic, kind of like blends in nice. And at night, it offers a pathway of light going up the steps. All right, well, let's wait for night and see what it looks like. Here we go. Check it out. Let's do this little blinking thing here. Yeah, it definitely adds some color here. Looks good. Fire pit's going. Got the flowers. Got my string lights I'll put on in a second. I just wanted to see what it looked like in darkness. Got the sunset behind me. It's beautiful. Nice evening. And these sure do add to the backyard. Yeah, you can make it look realistic by spreading them out and almost like a fake Christmas tree. Definitely digging this product. It adds to the backyard. I have 2 and 2 right now, so there's 4. I put 2 together, kind of fluffed it a little bit, and it actually looks more full and more realistic. As realistic as you can get when you have glowing flowers, right? But yeah, definitely happy, and I would definitely recommend this product. So if you're interested in it, links in the description. And if you guys bought this, let me know what your thoughts are. I'll see you guys in the next video.